Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily clear the cache of Telegram app on both your iPhone and Android. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all open up the Telegram app on your phone, and then you'll have to tap on settings on the bottom right corner. Now you'll have to scroll down a bit, and you'll be able to find an option of data and storage. You'll have to tap on it. Now it will take you to this page, and now you'll have to tap on storage usage on the top of the screen. And right on this page you'll be able to find an option of clear cache, clear entire cache, that is 530 MBs megabytes in my case. In your case it may be different, and if you want to clear all this cache you can simply tap on clear cache and then once again tap on clear entire cache, and it will be cleared. It will take some time to load, and now you can see the cache is only 73 MBs. You can again clear it. No, that's permanent cache, um, and that is the data that you are currently using on Telegram, so it can't be deleted. But it's still freed up a lot of space from my application. So that's how you can easily clear cache on Telegram app. I hope you found the video helpful. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.